Prathamam Drishyam. First picture of, or a first scene of the drama. Mallika. Mallika is a woman. Modakani rachayanti. Modaka means sweet. Modakani rachayanti mandaswarena shivastutim karoti. While preparing the sweets, she is mandaswarena, with a slow voice, she is singing Shivastuti. She is singing the Shivastuti. Tataha pravishati modaka gandham anubhavan prasannamana chandanaha. Then enters modaka gandham. Modaka gandha, fragrance of sweet. Anubhavan, experiencing the fragrance of sweet. Prasannamana, happy hearted. Chandanaha. Chandana is the husband of Mallika. Chandanaha is the husband of Mallika. So he enters the house with the experiencing the sweet smell of the sweets. Chandana. Aha, sugandhastu manoharaha. Wow, smell is very much good. Vilokya, after seeing. Vilokya, after seeing. Aye, modakani rachyante. Oh, are you preparing sweets? Prasannaha bhutva. He became very much happy. Prasannaha bhutva. Asvadayami tavata. So I will taste them. I will taste them. Modakam grahitum ichhati. So he wants to take the sweet. Mallika. Sakrodham, with anger. Virama, virama, wait. Wait, wait, virama, virama. Masprisha, don't touch. Etani modakani, don't touch these sweets. Don't touch. Chandanaha, kimartham krudyasi? Why you are getting angry? Tavahasta nirmitani modakani drishtva aham jihvalolupatam niyantrayitum akshamaha asmi. So, tavahasta nirmitani. Tavahasta nirmitani modakani. Your handmade sweets. Tavahasta, your hand. Nirmitani, prepared. Modakani, sweets. Drishtva, after seeing the sweets made by you. Aham jihvalolupatam. Jihvalolupata is a greediness of tongue. So, jihvalolupatam niyantrayitum. Niyantrana, control. To control the greediness of tongue, I am not able. Akshamaha. Akshamaha asmi means I am not able to control my greediness of tongue after seeing the sweets prepared by you. This is what he said. Kim na janasi tvamidam? You don't know? You know, no, I cannot resist myself from eating sweets which made by your hands. So, Mallika is telling, Samyak janami natha. Yes, I know, husband, correctly. Samyak means correctly. I know correctly. Everything I know. Param etani modakani puja nimittani santi. But these sweets are for worship of God. For puja. For worshipping God. These sweets are prepared for worshipping God. Chandanaha. Tarhi शीघ्रमेव पूजनम संपादय. Then quickly you do the puja. Quickly you do the puja. Prasadam cha dehi, and give me the prasad. Give me the prasad. Prasada means what? The sweets which are given to God as a naivedya. Everybody know that. So prasada. After worshipping God, the sweets we distribute now, that is called as prasada. So prasadam cha dehi. Then quickly you do the puja and give me the prasad. Mallika. Bho atra pujanam na bhavishyati. Here we are not doing any puja. Here we are not doing any puja. Aham swa sakhibihi saha shvaha prataha. Aham, I, swa sakhibihi saha, along with my friends. Swa sakhibihi saha, along with. Saha means along with. Swa sakhibihi, my friends. Shvaha means tomorrow. Prataha, morning. So tomorrow morning, along with my friends, I am going to Kashi Vishwanatha Mandiram. So I am going to Kashi Vishwanatha temple. Pratigamishyami. So I am going to Kashi Vishwanatha temple. Tatra Ganga Snanam. There we will take bath in river Ganga. And Dharma Yatram cha vayam karishyamaha. Dharma Yatra is a pilgrimage. So we will walk there, we will do pradakshinas, we will worship Lord Vishveshwara there. Chandana. Sakhibihi saha, na maya saha, Vishadam natayati. He acts as he is upset. You are going with your friends, not with me, he asks. Mallika. Am, Champa, Gauri, Maya, Mohini, Kapiladhyaha sarvaha gachanti. So these are the names of Mallika's friends. Kapiladhyaha sarvaha, all these friends will come with me. Ataha maya saha tava agamanasya auchityam nasti. So these many are coming with me. So there is no use, you also should come. So tava agamanasya, your coming is having no relevance. Auchitya, relevance. No use. Simply why you come? There are many works in the house, so don't come, she said. Vayam saptahante pratyagamishyamaha. After 1 week, we will come back. After 1 week, we will come back. Tavat grahavyavastham. Till I come, tavat, till that time, grahavyavastha, management of the house. And dhenoho dugdha dohana vyavastham cha. So milking the cow. Milking the cow. Paripalaya. So do all the works of the house and don't forget to milk the cow. This is what she told. Now a second scene starts. Astu gaccha sakhibihi saha dharmayatraya anandita cha bhava. Okay, astu means okay, gaccha, go along with your friends, and by the pilgrimage you should be happy. So be happy by your pilgrimage. Sarvam mapi aham paripalayishyami. Everything I will do. Everything I will do. Shivaste santu panthanaha. Happy journey. Shivaste santu panthanaha. Happy journey. Chandanaha. Mallika tu dharmayatrayai gata. Mallika went for a pilgrimage. Astu. Dugdha dohanam krutva tatah swa pratarashasya prabandham karishyami. First, I will milk the cow, then I will arrange for my morning breakfast. Pratarasha is a breakfast. So, astu dugdha dohanam kritva, after milking the cow, tataha, afterwards, swa pratarashasya, pratarasha, breakfast. So, morning breakfast. Prabandha, arrangement. So, as the wife is not there in the house, so he should prepare his own breakfast. So, he says that first I will milk the cow, then I will make the arrangements for my breakfast. Stri vesham dhrutva. He is wearing a sari. Chandana is wearing a sari. Stri vesham dhrutva dugdha patra hastaha Nandinyaha samipam gacchati. With the vessel for milking the cow, he comes nearby the cow. Why? Because if you know the pattern of milking the cow used to one hand, and if anyone else comes to milking it, it will kick. So every day Mallika, the Chandan's husband Chandan's wife used to milk the cow, no? So first time Chandana is milking, so it may not give. So he is wearing a sari. He is wearing a sari and coming to milk the cow. Coming to milk the cow. Samipam gacchati. Uma is a girl of the same village. He comes and she see that Chandana is wearing a sari and she got confused that he is Mallika only. So Matulani is Mami. Matula is a mama. Mother's brother is called as mama. And the mother's brother's wife, Mami. So Matulani she calls, because she thinks that she is Mallika. Now Chandana is saying, Ume aham tu matulaha. Hey Uma, I am mama, not mami. Tava matulani tu Ganga snanartham Kashim gata asti. Your mommy went to Kashi for holy bath in Ganga. So she went to Kashi for pilgrimage. Kathaya, tell. Kim te priyam karavani, what I should do for you? What I should do for you? Uma is saying, Matula pitamaha kathayati. Mama, my grandfather is telling that Masanantaram asmat grihe Mahotsava bhavishyati. After 1 month in our house, there is a big function. Mahotsavaha, big function. Bhavishyati, it is there. Tatra, there, Trishata setaka mitam. Setaka is a liter. So we need 300 liters of milk. Trishata setaka mitam dugdham apekshate. We need 300 liters of milk. Esha vyavastha bhavadbihi karaniya. This arrangement you should do. You should do. This is what grandfather told. Chandanaha prasanna manasa. He became very much happy. Very much happy. Trishata setaka parimitam dugdham. 300 liters of milk. Wow. Shobhanam. Very good. Dugdha vyavastha bhavishyati iti eva. So arrangement will be done. Dugdha vyavastha bhavishyati eva iti pitamaham prati tvaya vaktavyam. So you go to your grandfather and tell him that milk arrangement will be done. Will be done. Uma is saying, Dhanyavadaha Matula, thank you Mama. Yami Adhuna, I will go now. I will go now. Sa Nirgata. She went from the place. That concludes the second scene of the